I don't have a GF, nor an iPhone, nor a bungalow, nor cars, yet I am very happy. There's only one dream in my heart, to become an IAS officer. The day your addiction to your phone or addiction to books changes, success will come to you. That day, success will come knocking at your door. The day will come when our names will be listed in the UPSC. Don't stop, don't get tired. Now, it's time to sit on the chair meant for an IAS officer. Why pause? You have a long way to go yet? Have you forgotten? Sometimes my mind wants to leave up, but I say, let me break a record first. Some people ask, until when will you study? I say, as long as the passion for UPSC exists, tell your mind to abandon all allurements. Now, what new record can we set in UPSC? If you don't feel like studying, then leave UPSC and go home and relax. Remember all your dreams that you've seen. Recall that moment when your father told someone, my son will become an IAS officer. When the destination is close, then work hard is certain. Just stay busy with your studies. How long will you keep running away from life? How long will you keep evading time? Quickly become an IAS and move on from here. How long will you keep laughing at yourself? Tina Dobby, a UPSC topper, was once asked how many hours she studies in a day. She said, I dedicate 7 to 8 hours to study, and sometimes I've studied for up to 14 hours. Friends, if you want extraordinary results in any field, you need to put in extraordinary effort, more than 200%. This uniform, what kind of connection it has with you, just thinking about you makes studying enjoyable. One day, hard work will make noise. Remember, one day, you will have your own turn. Life doesn't change overnight. Take the support of books. You might deceive others, but they will never deceive you. If hard work becomes a habit, success becomes destiny. If you want to achieve something in your life instead of chatting at night, set your career. Start and understand. Slowly, time will pass, and you'll learn slowly. Take a step towards your destination, and it will come to you slowly. The straightforward way to success is to work harder than others, know more than others, and expect less from others. You are always small enough for anyone to sit with you, and you are big enough that when you stand, everyone will make way for you. Friends, comment, and let me know if you liked the video. And if yes, please subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting such motivational videos. And if you have already liked the video or not, please do so. I support your dreams. Do you support mine? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.